Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover deleted contacts on Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and you have deleted your contacts, now you want to recover them. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just look for Google settings. Here's that, tap on it, and here just select all services. Now scroll down and here you will get different options, and here's the setting which we want. First of all, you have to tap on Google Contact Sync, and you have to make sure that your setting has been on as mine. And after that, just go back, and here you can see that my all contacts has been synced, and the setting is must be on. And after that, you have to go back. Now, if you have deleted your contacts, so let's see how can you recover them. You just have to tap on Restore Contacts. From here, you can see I have already restored my contact, but you just have to tap on restore and then your all contacts will be restored in your Android phone. So that's how you can easily recover your deleted contacts on Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.